In this tutorial, we'll see how to restrict input in Angular text box. So we'll see how to allow users to only enter numbers in the text box and to stop him to type any other character, which is not a number. So let's begin. So in the app.component.html, we'll just write enter only numbers. And here I will just have input type equal to text. So now when we try to type something in this text box, we have to check whether it's a number or other character. So I'll just use the key press event. So whenever we press a key, this key press event will be fired, and we'll just call a function to validate. So we'll just call a function only numbers allowed, and we'll just pass the event. So let's implement this function only numbers allowed. So let's go to the app.component.ts. So I'll just write a function only numbers allowed, which will accept the event and which returns a boolean. So since it's returning a boolean value, we'll just write return true. And here we'll just write our logic to validate. So I'll just write const char code equal to event, that is this event, dot which, I'll just write this in bracket. I will write a ternary operator. If event.which is not null, then it will return event.which, else it will return event.key code. Now I'm just going to write a logic for restricting. If char code is greater than 31 and if the char code is less than 48 or char code is greater than 57, that means this is not a number, and we'll just return false. And here we'll just write console.log, and we'll just type the char code restricted is, and we'll just print the char code. So you can see it's a simple function which is restricting any other character which is not a number and allowing only numbers. And in the HTML, we are just calling this function on the key press. So let's run this. So you can see there is a text box. If I try to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is accepting. Now if I try to type any other letter which is not a number, for example if I try to type A, So let's go to the console. If I try to type A, you can see here it has restricted me. The char code restricted is 97. If I try to type B, it will again restrict me. So in this way, you can stop the user from typing anything which is not a number. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, like or share.